Hello students of class 7th. This presentation is a continuation of the first chapter of your science textbook, that is nutrition in plants. Students, we have already discussed photosynthesis in our last presentation. So today let's move further and start the new topic. Okay, we saw that during the process of photosynthesis, one of the important raw material was CO2, that is carbon dioxide. Now the question is from where plant is taking in carbon dioxide and from where plant is leaving out oxygen. So is the exchange of these two gases taking place in case of plants? There is where stomata plays a very important role. Now, what is stomata? Stomata are tiny pores present on the leaves of the plant. Through these tiny pores, carbon dioxide and oxygen are exchanged between plant and the surroundings. When you try to focus on the leaf of a plant and also under the microscope, you actually see the presence of these kind of pores as shown on the screen. These pores are nothing but stomata. These pores are so tiny that they can't be seen with your naked eyes. So, through these pores, carbon dioxide is taken inside the plant and oxygen is thrown out of the plant. Hence, we can say that gaseous exchange occurs through these tiny pores called the stomata, which can only be seen under the microscope. Now, if you actually look at the structure of leaf or the side or the thickness of the leaf under the microscope, you can see on your screen the upper and the lower epidermis of the leaf. I have mentioned it over there, the lower and upper epidermis of the leaf. In this epidermis, you have openings called stomata. You can see the openings in the lower epidermis of the structure of the leaf. So it is called stomata. It is observed that more number of stomata are present at the lower surface of the leaf as compared to the upper surface of the leaf. So more stomata are present at the lower epidermis in comparison to the upper epidermis. In between the lower and upper epidermis, you have mesophyll layer. Okay, this mesophyll layer has two types of cells. One is the spongy cells and the other one is the parenchyma cells. Okay, or palisade. Now the chlorophyll is present in the mesophyll layer. Now let's discuss the movement of stomata. That is how it allows gases to come in and to go out. Okay, stomata has guard cells which acts as doors of the stomata, which allow the stomata to open and or to close. Now these are actually a pair of kidney shaped cells. What are guard cells? They are a pair of kidney shaped cells. They have thin walls at the outer side and thick walls at the inner side. On the screen you can see stomata under guard cells. So stomata is basically the openings. You can see the stomatal pore which is created by two cells. So these pair of cells is guard cells. So when guard cells come very close to each other, the pore actually gets closed as in the second picture you can see. When they move apart from each other, the stomata opens as shown in the first picture. Whenever the stomata opens, the gases can move through the pores, and as soon it gets closed, no more gases can move. That's how these guard cells govern the opening and closing of stomata. And the opening and closing of stomata decides the exchange of gases through the stomata. That's how opening and closing of stomata is controlled. Thank Thank you for watching this video, students. Hope you have understood whatever we have discussed today. Please go through it once again, complete your home assignments and send them to school's WhatsApp number. If you have any doubt, do write us and please ask your queries, students, and make sure that you send your homework. Thank you very much. Have a good day.